Hello. Hello. Hi, I'm good. How are you? After so long, I finally got to the DHARAVI slums, which apparently, according to Google and to other people that I spoke to, is the biggest slum in the whole Asia. I managed to find my way into the main street, or at least what I think is the main street. Even though this whole place is regarded as being a slum, so far I saw nice shops, I saw banks, I saw many things which usually you wouldn't necessarily be seeing in a slum, such as this. What is this? This looks like a mirror kind of shop, and it's something that I wouldn't necessarily be expecting to see in a slum. People so far have been extremely friendly. I don't feel like I'm not safe. I'll probably feel more unsafe in London after a night out, other than here in the slums, which is at least. Hello, boss. See, this is what I was talking about. People are friendly. People just want to say hi. People just want to be in the videos. They're not like hiding or being antisocial. They're actually extremely nice, which is ironic because it's one of those places where you don't really expect people to be like that. You think about the biggest slum in the whole Asia, and then what you see around is just friendly people, smiley people, and all in all just a nice experience. I took the train to go to Shahpur, and they don't close the doors. Hello guys. Hello. Hello. Hi, I'm good. How are you? Told you, people are friendly around here. Let's see what we find around here. National sweets, restaurants, pretty much everything you need. Oh my god, the kids are coming back. I need to hide away. Let's go this way. See what we find. Wow, the traffic is hectic here. My first few days in India gave me a terrible headache, so I had to take pills. But now I'm alright. I'm slowly getting used to it. Hello, boss. Slowly but surely getting used to it. As I said, walking in the biggest slum, feeling absolutely safe. It would be very ironic if someone would just snatch my camera now. Oopsie. But I don't think that will happen. Let's see if we can find some food. I'll go to a side street here. Whoa. Dogs don't like me around here. Dogs really don't like me. I don't know why, but like with all this chaos that happens around. It's very interesting that dogs feel like they want to bark at me when there's like literally hundreds of people around. See? This is this is what I was talking about. let's try to get lost from the kids.
I want to get pomegranate.
Want to get pomegranate?
Yeah.
Get pomegranate then.
Get one pomegranate.
क्योंकि ये डिपार्टमेंट में जाने वाला है।
Holy shit! Ah, high five. Oh. Oh, that was loud. Let's see how we're getting on. It's quite a challenge to get around the cars and the motorbikes in India. You can't even imagine how loud everything is. Oh, I think I want baklava.
How are you?
Hello, boss. How baklava? Mom, he's happy with his pomegranate. Thank you, thank you. See? People are friendly. I'm looking to buy a drink from somewhere. Just need to find a place where they sell drinks, like Coca-Cola, for example, or Pepsi. I saw they have a different kind of Pepsi here, or a cola. They have something called Thumbs Up, which honestly doesn't taste that bad. It's okay. If you live in Eastern Europe, you've probably had the chance of tasting a counterfeit Pepsi or Coca-Cola. Here we go, Pepsi. Can I have a Pepsi? One this and one of this as well. Oh, sir? How much?
90 rupees.
90 rupees. It's okay. Thank you. Got myself the Pepsi and some swing juicer drink, which I hope won't give me any diarrhea. Ooh, coconut. I'm literally in the middle of the road, but that is absolutely fine in India.